Today we are going to learn the problem set 1 of last question, the most important question for word problems in a problem set first. आज आपण दोन चलातील रेषीय समीकरण या प्रकरणातील शेवटचा भाग प्रश्नसंच 1 मधील शेवटचा प्रश्न शाब्दिक उदाहरणे याचा आपण सविस्तर अभ्यास करणार आहोत. Question number 7. Solve the following word problems. Number 1. The sum of two-digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the digit is 143. If the digit at the unit place is a 3 more than the digit at the 10 place, find the original number. First, you understand the meaning of this word problem. या उदाहरणाचा अर्थ समजून घ्या. The sum of two-digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the digit is 143. दोन अंकी संख्या आणि दोन अंकी संख्येची अदलाबदल करून मिळणारी संख्या यांची बेरीज 143 आहे. If the digit at unit place is 3 more than the digit at the 10 place. दोन अंकी संख्येतील एकक स्थानचा अंक दशक स्थानच्या अंकापेक्षा 3 ने जास्त आहे. Find the original number. तर ती दोन अंकी संख्या किती? Solution of this problem. Let digit at unit place be x and digit at 10 place is a y. दोन अंकी संख्येतील एकक स्थानचा अंक x आणि दशक स्थानचा अंक y मानू. Then we get two digit number. Unit place is a x plus 10 place digit is a y and their place value is the x multiply 1 is a x plus 10y. Means two digit number we get 10y plus x. दोन अंकी संख्या लिहिताना एकक स्थानचा अंक x आहे त्याची स्थानिक किंमत x, दशक स्थानचा अंक y आहे त्याची स्थानिक किंमत 10y होईल आणि म्हणून दोन अंकी संख्या 10y plus x तयार होईल. ओके. The number obtained by interchanging the digit. Unit place put as 10 place and 10 place take as unit place. अंकाची अदलाबदल करून एकक स्थानचा अंक दशक स्थानी, दशक स्थानचा अंक एकक स्थानी. The number obtained by interchanging the digit, new two digit number is 10x plus y. From given first condition, the sum of two digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the digit is 143. Therefore, first condition is 10y plus x plus 10x plus y is equal to 143. Solve LHS side. Solve the bracket. 10y plus x plus 10x plus y is equal to 143. Here x plus 10x is a 11x. 10y plus y is a 11y is equal to 143. Take 11 common on LHS side. In bracket x plus y is equal to 143. 11 goes on RHS side, then we get divide. X plus y is equal to 143 upon 11. 11 1s are 11, carry is a 3. 11 3s are 33. X plus y is equal to 13. We get equation number 1. From second condition, the digit at unit place is a 3 more than the digit at the 10 place. एकक स्थानचा अंक x आहे तो दशक स्थानच्या अंकापेक्षा 3 ने जास्त आहे म्हणजे x is equal to y plus 3. एकक स्थानचा अंक x दशक स्थानच्या अंकापेक्षा 3 ने जास्त आहे. Therefore, x is equal to y plus 3. From this condition, x minus y is equal to 3. We get equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, equating the coefficient y, coefficient of y is the same, having opposite sign. Therefore, adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2, x plus y is equal to 13, x minus y is equal to 3. Add these two equations, plus y minus y get cancelled. X plus x is equal to 2x. 13 plus 3 is equal to 16. 2x is equal to 16. Therefore, 2 goes on RHS side, then we get divide. Therefore, x is equal to 16 upon 2. 2 8 is 16. Therefore, x is equal to 8. Substitute x is equal to 8 in equation 1. Therefore, equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 13. X is equal to 8 plus y is equal to 13. 8 goes on RHS side, then we get minus. Y is equal to 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. X is equal to 8 and y is equal to 5. Then 2-digit number is a 10y plus x. Substitute the value. Here 10 multiply y plus 8, 50 plus 8 is equal to 58. Required 2-digit number is 58. Write down. Second problem. Kantabai bought 1/2 kilogram tea and 5 kilogram sugar from a shop. She paid rupees 50 as return fare for rickshaw. Total expense was rupees 700. Then she realized that by ordering online, the goods can be bought with free home delivery at the same price. So next month she placed the order online for 2 kilogram tea and 7 kilogram sugar. She paid rupees 880 for that. Find the rate of sugar and tea per kilogram. First, you understand the meaning of this problem. या शाब्दिक उदाहरणाचा अर्थ समजून घ्या. Kantabai bought 1/2 kilogram tea and 5 kilogram sugar from a shop. कांताबाईने एका दुकानातून 1.5 किलो चहापत्ती आणि 5 किलो साखर खरेदी केली. She paid rupees 50 as return fare for rickshaw. आणि तिने 50 रुपये रिक्षा भाडं म्हणून परत घेतले. टोटल एक्सपेन्स वॉज रुपीज 700. एकूण खर्च झाला होता 700 रुपये. Then she realized that by ordering online the goods can be bought with free home delivery at the same price. तिच्या असं लक्षात आलं की आपण जर ऑनलाईन जर खरेदी केली तर आपल्याला घरपोहोच वस्तू मिळतात. So next month she placed the order online for 2 kilogram tea and 7 kilogram sugar. म्हणून तिने पुढच्या महिन्यामध्ये ऑनलाईन ऑर्डर केली 2 किलोग्राम चहा आणि 7 किलोग्राम साखर. त्याची एकूण किंमत तिने 880 रुपये पेड केले. तर चहा आणि साखरेची प्रति किलोग्राम किंमत किती ते आपणास काढायचं आहे. सोल्युशन. लेट रेट ऑफ 1 किलोग्राम ऑफ टी is rupees x and that of 1 kilogram of sugar is rupees y. 1 किलोग्राम टी ची किंमत x रुपये आणि 1 किलोग्राम शुगर ची किंमत y रुपये कन्सिडर करूया. The cost of 1/2 kilogram tea. 1/2 means 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 is a 3/2 of tea. Means 3/2 kilogram. The price or rate of 1 kilogram tea is a x. Therefore, price of 3/2 kilogram tea is equal to 3/2x. एका किलोग्राम टी ची किंमत x रुपये आहे तर 3/2 किलोग्राम ची किंमत किती होईल 3/2x. ओके. The cost of 5 kilogram sugar is 5y. The rate of 1 kilogram sugar is a y. Therefore, cost of 5 kilogram sugar is a 5y. First condition, and rickshaw fare is given. Rs 50 rupees. From first condition, then we get 3 upon 2x plus 5y is equal to 700. Here she paid rupees 50 as return fare for rickshaw. Therefore, rickshaw fare take minus 50. Therefore, 3 upon 2x plus 5y is equal to 700 minus 50. पहा, तिने 700 रुपये जेव्हा दुकानदाराला दिले तेव्हा रिक्षा भाडा म्हणून त्याने 50 रुपये परत दिले, म्हणून एकूण खर्च किती झाला? 3 upon 2x plus 5y is equal to 700. त्यामधून मायनस 50 करा, then 3 upon 2x plus 5y is equal to 650. Here 3 upon 2, 5y upon 1, here cross multiplication, then we get, or also multiply 2 on both sides, then we get denominator 2 get cancel. तुम्ही जर समीकरणाच्या दोन्ही बाजूला जर 2 ने आपण गुणले तर छेदस्थानचे 2 कॅन्सल होतील, किंवा छेद जरी समजा आपण समान केला तर आपल्याला तीच क्रिया करावी लागणार आहे. 2 multiply 3 upon 2x plus 5y is equal to 650. Therefore, this 2 multiply 3 upon 2x plus 2 multiply 5y is equal to 2 multiply 650. 3 to get cancelled. 3x plus 10y is equal to 1300. We get equation number 1. Similarly, from second equation, second condition, 2x plus 7y is equal to 880. She ordered online of 2 kilogram tea and 7 kilogram sugar. She paid 880 rupees. Therefore, 2x plus 7y is equal to 880. We get equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, equating the coefficient of x, equation 1 multiple by 2 and equation 3 multiple by 3. Therefore, equation 1 multiple by 2, 2 multiply 3x plus 10y is equal to 1300, 2 3s are 6x plus 2 10s are 20y is equal to 2 multiply 1300 is a 2600. We get equation number 4. Also, equation 2 multiple by 3, 3 multiply 2x plus 7y is equal to 880, 3 2s are 6x plus 3 7s are 21y is equal to 3 multiply 880 is a 2640. Hence, 6x plus 21y is equal to 2640. We get equation number 5. From equation 4 and 5, the x coefficient is the same, having same sign. Therefore, subtracting equation 4 and 5, 6x plus 21y is equal to 2640. 6x plus 20y is equal to 2600. Therefore, minus 6x minus plus minus 20y is equal to minus 2600, plus 6x minus 6x get cancelled, plus 21y minus 20y is equal to 1y is equal to 40. Therefore, y is equal to 40. Substitute the value of y is equal to 40 in equation 1. Equation 1 is 3x plus 10y is equal to 1300. 3x plus 10 multiply 40 is equal to 1300. 10 into 40 is a 400. 3x plus 400 is equal to 1300. 400 goes on RHS side, then we get minus. Therefore, 3x is equal to 1300 minus 400. Therefore, 3x is equal to 900. 3 is a multiply 2x goes on RHS side, then we get divide. Therefore, x is equal to 900 upon 3. 3 3 is a 9, then we get 300. Therefore, x is equal to 300. The value of x is a rate of per kilogram tea, and value of y is a rate of per kilogram sugar. Therefore, the rate of 1 kilogram tea is rupees 300 and the rate of 1 kilogram sugar is rupees 40. This is answer. Problem number 3. To find the number of notes that Anushka had the following activity. Suppose that Anushka had X notes of rupees 100 and Y notes of rupees 50. खालील ऍक्टिव्हिटीज नुसार अनुष्का जवळ किती नोटांची संख्या आहे ती काढायची आहे. सपोज समजा अनुष्का जवळ 100 रुपयाच्या एक्स नोटा आणि 50 रुपयाच्या वाय नोटा आहेत. सेकंड ऍक्टिव्हिटी, अनुष्का गॉट ₹2500 फ्रॉम आनंद ॲज डिनोमिनेशन मेन्शन अबव इक्वेशन नंबर 1. अनुष्काने 2500 रुपये आनंद कडून घेतले ही अट इक्वेशन नंबर 1 दर्शवा. And second activity is, if Anand would have given her the amount by interchanging number of notes, Anushka would have received ₹500 less than the previous amount. पहा, अनुष्काने आनंद कडून 2500 रुपये घेतले होते. 2500 रुपयाच्या काही 100 रुपयाच्या नोटा आणि काही 50 रुपयाच्या नोटा होत्या. आनंदने काय केलं, नोटांच्या संख्येची अदलाबदल केली आणि ते रक्कम पुन्हा अनुष्काला दिली. तेव्हा पहिल्या रकमेपेक्षा 500 रुपये कमी भरतात. इक्वेशन नंबर 2 आणि एक्स आणि वाय ची किंमत काढा. ओके, सोल्यूशन. सपोज Anushka had X notes of ₹100 and Y notes of ₹50 each. Here is given first activity. Therefore, total amount with Anushka is ₹100X plus 50Y. अनुष्का जवळ एकूण रक्कम किती आहे मग 100 रुपयाच्या एक्स नोटा म्हणजे 100X रुपीज आणि 50 रुपयाच्या वाय नोटा म्हणजे 50Y रुपीज. दोघांची बेरीज 100X plus 50Y. And first condition is given. Anushka got ₹2500 from Anand is denomination mentioned above equation. Therefore, 100X plus 50Y is equal to 2500. This is the first condition of equation. On LHS side, 50 take common. In bracket 50 to the 100, 2x plus y is equal to 2500. या समीकरणाच्या LHS side ला 50 common निघतात. 50 goes down RHS side, then we get divide. 2x plus y is equal to 2500 upon 50. 5 5 25, 1 0 get cancel. 2x plus y is equal to 50. We get equation number 1. 2x plus y is equal to 50, equation number 1. If notes are interchanged, then Y notes of ₹100 and X notes of ₹50, then we get second equation. If notes are interchanged, then Y notes of ₹100 and X notes of ₹50. Therefore, total amount is 100Y plus 50X. From second condition, 100Y plus 50X is equal to 2500 minus less 500. Then we get on LHS side 50 take common, 50 in bracket, 2y plus x is equal to subtraction of these two number, 2500 minus 500 is equal to 2000. 50 goes on RHS side, then we get x plus 2y is equal to 2000 upon 50 is equal to 40. Therefore, x plus 2y is equal to 40, equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, equating the coefficient of x or y. Equation 1 multiple by 2, then we get 2 multiply 2x plus y is equal to 50. 4x plus 2y is equal to 100, equation number 3. From equation 2 and 3, equating the coefficient of y having same coefficient, having same sign. Therefore, subtracting equation 2 and 3. Then we get 4x plus 2y is equal to 100, x plus 2y is equal to 40. Subtract of these two equations, minus x minus plus minus 2y minus plus minus 40. Therefore, plus 2y minus 2y get cancelled. 4x minus x is a 3x. 100 minus 40 is equal to 60. 3 goes on RHS side, then we get divide. X is equal to 60 upon 3 is equal to 20. Therefore, x is equal to 20. Substituting x is equal to 20 in equation 2 is x plus 2y is equal to 40. Therefore, x is a 20 plus 2y is equal to 40. 2y is equal to 40 minus 20 is equal to 20. 2 goes on RHS side, then we get divide. Y is equal to 20 upon 2. 2 tens are 20. Therefore, y is equal to 10. Means we get x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 10. Therefore, Anushka has 20 notes of rupees 100 and 10 notes of rupees 500. Problem number 4. The sum of the present ages of Manish and Savita is 31 years. 3 years ago, Manish's age was 4 times Savita's age at that time. Find their present ages. Meaning of this problem, मनीष आणि सविता यांच्या आजच्या वयाची बेरीज 31 वर्ष आहे. 3 वर्षापूर्वी मनीषचे वय सविताच्या वयाच्या 4 पट होते, तर त्यांची आजची वय किती? लेट मनीष प्रेझेंट एज इज x year and present age of सविता is y years. मनीषचे आजचे वय x वर्ष आणि सविताचे आजचे वय y वर्ष मानू. From first condition, their sum x plus y is equal to 31. We get equation number 1. 3 years ago, 3 वर्षापूर्वी, the age of Manish x minus 3. 3 वर्षापूर्वी म्हणजे समजा आज माझं वय जर 40 वर्ष असेल तर 3 वर्षापूर्वी किती होईल? 3 वजा होतील 37 वर्ष. म्हणजेच 3 years ago the age of Manish x minus 3 and 3 years ago the age of Savita is equal to y minus 3. Second condition is given. 3 years ago Manish's age was 4 times Savita's age at that time. Therefore, x minus 3 is equal to 4 times of Savita age y minus 3. Therefore, x minus 3, 4 multiply in the bracket 4y minus 12. X minus 3 is equal to 4y minus 12. Here 4y goes on LHS side and minus 3 goes on RHS side. Therefore, x minus 4x is equal to minus 12 plus 3. X minus 4x is equal to minus 9. Equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, the coefficient of x is the same, having same sign. Subtracting equation 1 and 2, x plus y is equal to 31, x minus 4 y is equal to minus 9. Subtract minus x minus minus plus 4y minus minus plus 9. Therefore, x plus minus get 0, y plus 4y is equal to 5y is equal to 31 plus 9 is equal to 40. Therefore, 5 goes down RHS side, y is equal to 40 upon 5, 5 8 is 40. Therefore, y is equal to 8. Substituting y is equal to 8 in equation 1. Therefore, x plus 8 is equal to 31. The value of y is equal to 8. X plus 8 is equal to 31. 8 goes down RHS side, then we get minus x is equal to 31 minus 8. X is equal to 23. Therefore, the present age of Manish is 23 years and present age of Savita is 8 years. Problem number 5. In the factory, the ratio of salary of skilled and unskilled workers is 5:3. Total salary of 1 day of both of them is rupees 720. Find daily wages of skilled and unskilled. एका कंपनीमध्ये कुशल आणि अकुशल कामगारांच्या पगाराचे गुणोत्तर 5:3 आहे. दोन्ही कामगाराच्या एका दिवसाचा पगार एकूण 720 रुपये असेल तर कुशल आणि अकुशल कामगारांना दर दिवस किती रुपये मिळतात? Let the daily wages of skilled and unskilled worker be rupees X and rupees Y respectively. कुशल कामगारांना प्रतिदिन X रुपये आणि अकुशल कामगारांना प्रतिदिन Y रुपये मिळतात. From first condition, in a factory, the ratio of salary of skilled and unskilled worker is 5:3. Therefore, X upon Y is equal to 5:3 is the ratio given skilled and unskilled worker of salary. Cross multiplication, 3x is equal to 5y. 3x minus 5y is equal to 0. We get first equation. Second condition is total salary of one day of both of them is rupees 720. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 720. We get equation number 2. Equating the coefficient of y, equation 2 required coefficient of y is a 5. Equation 2 multiple by 5. Then we get 5 in bracket x plus y is equal to 720. 5x plus 5y is equal to 3600. Equation number 3. From equation 1 and 3, adding equation 1 and 3. 5x plus 5y is equal to 3600. 3x minus 5y is equal to 0. Adding these two equation, plus 5y minus 5y get cancelled. 5x plus 3x is equal to 8x is equal to 3600. Therefore, 8 goes on RHS side, then we get divide x is equal to 3600 upon 8 is equal to 450. Put x is equal to 450 in equation 2. Therefore, equation 2 is x plus y is equal to 720. The value of x is equal to 450 plus y is equal to 720. 450 goes on RHS side, then we get minus y is equal to 720 minus 450 is equal to 270. Y is equal to 270. Therefore, the daily wages of skilled worker is the value of x and daily wages of unskilled worker is the value of y. Therefore, the daily wages of skilled and unskilled worker are RS 450 and RS 270 respectively. Problem number 6. Places A and B are 30 km apart and they are on a straight road. Hamid travels from A to B on a bike. At the same time, Joseph starts meet each other after 20 minutes. If Joseph would have started from B at the same time, but in the opposite direction instead of toward A, Hamid would have caught him after 3 hours. Find the speed of Hamid and Joseph. First, you understand meaning of this problem. A आणि B सरळ रस्त्यावरील एकमेकापासून 30 किलोमीटर अंतर असणारी दोन ठिकाणे आहेत. हमीद ट्रॅव्हल्स फ्रॉम ए टू बी ऑन अ बाईक. हमीद ए पासून बी कडे बाईकवर प्रवास करत आहे आणि त्याच वेळेस ऍट द सेम टाइम जोसेफ स्टार्ट मीट इच अदर आफ्टर 20 मिनिट्स. त्याच वेळेस जोसेफ हा बी पासून ए कडे जात आहे आणि त्या दोघांची भेट 20 मिनिटांनी होते. If Joseph would have started from B at the same time, okay, but in the opposite direction, परंतु विरुद्ध दिशेने जर ते जात असतील तर हमीद जोसेफला 3 तासानंतर पकडतो किंवा 3 तासानंतर त्याला भेटतो. फाइंड द स्पीड ऑफ हमीद अँड जोसेफ. तर हमीद आणि जोसेफचा वेग किती? पाहिजे 2 कंडिशन दिलेल्या आहेत. हमीद आणि जोसेफ एकमेकाकडे येत असताना त्यांची भेट 20 मिनिटांनी होते आणि ते एकमेकापासून अपोजिट डायरेक्शन जाताना हमीद जोसेफला 3 तासांनी पकडतो. हमीद इज ॲट प्लेस ए अँड जोसेफ इज ॲट प्लेस बी. समजा आपण हमीद ए ठिकाणी आहे आणि जोसेफ बी ठिकाणी आहे. त्याची फिगर काढूया. दिस इज द पॉइंट ए, प्लेस of Hamid, and the point B is the place of Joseph. Place A and B are 30 kilometer apart. A आणि B 30 किलोमीटर एकमेकापासून दूर आहेत. Let Hamid motorcycle at x kilometer per hour and Joseph speed of motorcycle at y kilometer per hour. Speed of Hamid motorcycle is x kilometer per hour and speed of Joseph motorcycle is y kilometer per hour. हमीदचा बाईकचा वेग x किलोमीटर प्रति तास आहे आणि जोसेफचा बाईकचा वेग प्रति हावर y किलोमीटर आहे प्रति तास. If they travel in opposite direction to meet each other, they meet after 20 minutes. पहा, Hamid traveled toward B and Joseph traveled toward A. Then both are meet each other after 20 minutes. Hamid B कडे जात आहे आणि जोसेफ A कडे जात आहे, तेव्हा त्यांची भेट 20 मिनिटांनी येथे होते. When they travel in the same direction, meet after 3 hours. आता सेम डायरेक्शन म्हणजे काय? एकाच दिशेला. समजा हमीद हा बी कडे जात असेल तर बी हा जोसेफ त्याच दिशेने तिकडे जाईल. म्हणजे या पद्धतीने पहा, ए कडून बी कडे हमीद जात आहे आणि जोसेफ पुन्हा बी पासून त्याच दिशेने जात आहे, तेव्हा हमीद जोसेफला 3 तासामध्ये पकडतो. आता हमीद जोसेफला पकडतो म्हणजे याचा अर्थ आपल्याला असा घेता येतो की हमीदचा वेग जास्त आहे जोसेफ पेक्षा, म्हणून हमीद पाठीमागे आहे, जोसेफ पुढे आहे, तरी हमीद त्याला पकडतो. ओके. From first condition, the distance covered by Hamid in 20 minutes. Hamid and Joseph travel to each other. They meet after 20 minutes. Means the distance covered by Hamid in 20 minutes. Hamid आणि जोसेफ एकमेकाच्या दिशेने प्रवास करतात तेव्हा 20 मिनिटांनी ते एकमेकाला भेटतात. म्हणजे 20 मिनिटांमध्ये हमीदने कापलेले अंतर. डिस्टन्स इज इक्वल टू हियर 20 minutes. First 20 minutes convert into hours. आपण 20 मिनिटचं रूपांतर हावर्स मध्ये प्रथम करूया. म्हणजे 20 मिनिट 60 मिनिट म्हणजे 1 तास, म्हणून 20/60 is equal to 1/3 hours. 20 minutes convert into hours is a 1/3. Therefore 1/3 hours means x multiply 1/3 is equal to x/3. Distance covered by Hamid in 20 minutes means Hamid cover distance in 1 hour. एका तासामध्ये 20 मिनिटांमध्ये हमीदने कापलेले अंतर x/3 आहे. Similarly, the distance covered by Joseph in a 20 minutes. 20 minutes first convert into hours, 1/3 hours. Therefore 1/3 hours is equal to y multiply 1/3. Therefore y/3. जोसेफने 20 मिनिटांमध्ये कापलेले अंतर म्हणजेच जोसेफने एका तासामध्ये कापलेले अंतर y/3 3 आहे. They meet after 20 minutes means x upon 3 and y upon 3 is their sum. Total distance covered by them in a 30 kilometer. दोघांनी एकूण कापलेले अंतर ए पासून बी पर्यंतचं अंतर 30 किलोमीटर आहे. बी पासून पुन्हा ए पर्यंतचं अंतर 30 किलोमीटर आहे. दोघे जण एकमेकाला 20 मिनिटांमध्ये भेटतात म्हणजे त्या दोघांनी मिळून 30 किलोमीटर अंतर पार केलेलं आहे. Therefore, x upon 3 plus y upon 3 is equal to 30. Here denominator same, take 1 times x plus y upon 3 is equal to 30. 3 goes on RHS side, then we get multiply. X plus y is equal to 3 into 30. X plus y is equal to 90. Equation number 1. Similarly, from second condition, when they travel in the same direction, they meet after 3 hours. दुसरी कंडिशन काय आहे की हमीद आणि जोसेफ एकाच दिशेने धावत आहेत. हमीद caught to Joseph after 3 hours. The distance traveled by Hamid 3 hours means 3 multiplied to x, 3x, and distance traveled by Joseph is a 3 hours means 3 multiply y is equal to 3y. The distance traveled by Hamid minus the distance traveled by Joseph. Hamid had caught to Joseph. Speed of Hamid is greater. Therefore, distance traveled by Hamid minus the distance traveled by Joseph is equal to 30 kilometer. Means 3x minus 3y is equal to 30. On LHS side, 3 take common. X minus y is equal to 30. 3 goes on RHS side, then we get divide. X minus y is equal to 30 upon 3. 3 tens are 30. Equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and 2. X plus y is equal to 90. X minus y is equal to 10. Plus y minus is adding this to equation. Plus y minus y get cancelled, it is 0. X plus x is a 2x is equal to 100. Therefore, 2 goes on RHS side, then we get divide. X is equal to 100 upon 2, 250. 2 5s are 10, 1 0. X is equal to 50. Substituting x is equal to 50 in equation 1, x plus y is equal to 90. X is equal to 50 plus y is equal to 90. Y is equal to 90 minus 50 is equal to 40. Therefore, y is equal to 40 and x is equal to 50. Means Hamid traveled at the speed of 50 km per hour and Joseph traveled at the speed of 40 km per hour.